Hello viewers, today we are going to see a lecture session on electric and hybrid vehicle. I am Rajesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Welcome to the lecture. So what is a hybrid vehicle? A hybrid vehicle is a combination of two or more power source. The power source can be a combined power source of petrol engine and a electric motor, or else a diesel engine and a electric motor. So the vehicle can run by means of the petrol engine or a diesel engine for some specific kilometers, and for the remaining kilometers it can run through the electric motors. So this combination is called hybrid vehicle. Not only the petrol or diesel, it can be a hydrogen powered fuel cell vehicle also. A hybrid vehicle means a combination of two or more power source that can directly or indirectly provide propulsion power to the vehicle. A hybrid vehicle is a vehicle which has, as I already told you, the internal combustion engine and an electric motor powered by batteries. In some cases, these electric vehicles are just powered by means of battery that through the charge that is done by means of the IC engine. In other words, these IC engines are coupled with the alternator. Alternator is otherwise called as a generator. These generators are used to generate the electricity by the input of the engine. So for some specific kilometers, say some 600 kilometers or 700 kilometers, if the vehicle is running through the petrol or diesel fuel, these alternator for the entire distance of 600 to 700 kilometers, they charge the batteries. So these batteries are, once they are charged, the user can use the electricity that is present in the battery to the motor, so thereby eliminating the petrol or diesel engines power. Practically speaking, one of the good example is the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara. So this Grand Vitara is a hybrid vehicle which has a range of 1300 kilometers. For a full tank, that is a 40 or 43 liters of fuel, the engine runs and for some 700 kilometers. For after that, the engines once the fuel get over the 700-kilometer distance, fuel is used to charge the alternator, which recharges the battery. Once the battery is recharged, the remaining 600 kilometers can be run by using the battery power. So this is a combined effect of motor and a IC engine for the specified range of 1300 kilometers. So this is why the Grand Vitara is a one of the hybrid vehicle which is used in the modern world. So what is a IC engine and what is a electric vehicle? You can see the clear picture that an IC engine is a engine which is otherwise called as internal combustion engine, which uses the fuel that is present in the tank. It can be a petrol or a diesel. An electric vehicle runs by means of the power supplied by the battery. So this battery has a capacity to supply the required energy to the motor which drives the vehicle. So the features of hybrid vehicle. So not only the battery power, it also uses the regenerative braking. What is regenerative braking? A regenerative braking is the energy that is created by means of the brake force. So this energy is used to charge the battery. So it has, other than this, an electric motor drive which is assisted or a direct drive, and an automatic start-stop system, a low resistant tire, and a lightweight components. So these are the features of the hybrid vehicle. So there are different types of hybrid vehicle. One is the series hybrid vehicle. You can see that it is connected by means of the series. As I told you already, it is a hybrid vehicle. You can see here the gasoline engine as well as the electric motor. So these are coupled by means of the battery through the inverter. The next type is the parallel hybrid. So you can see the difference between the series hybrid and the parallel hybrid. You can see the connection. So directly the generator through the inverter, inverter to the battery, that is series, and you can see the parallel. So here it is through the generator, it is connected in the parallel to the battery. So this is how a series and a parallel hybrid vehicles have different features. So challenges. Only the challenges here in the hybrid vehicle is the charging time required for the battery. So also other than this, so these hybrid vehicles have weight of huge weight in the sense because it also have the component of IC engine. It also have the components such as battery, electric motor, inverter, etc. So it adds the weight to the vehicle. And if you see the cost of the vehicle, the Grand Vitara comes around 25 lakhs, which means the cost of the vehicle is also increased because of the presence of the different components. So when we see the challenges, one of the challenges is that they are sensitive to the temperature. So they have toxic materials also. So these are the challenges in the hybrid vehicle. So there are different hybrid vehicles nowadays. You can see here Toyota Prius, Honda CRZ, Toyota Avalon, Toyota Prius, and Honda Accord, Toyota Prius again, V-Type, and Camry, Optima, Hyundai Sonata. So there are different kinds of hybrid vehicles nowadays in the market.